Hello and welcome back, dear students of Standard 8th. Yesterday onwards, we have started a poem. Name of our poem is Vocation. Yesterday, we have seen first two stanzas of a poem where a small child he wants to be a bangle seller in his life. Okay, yesterday we have seen a small child. He was going to school, and at that time he took a decision to be a bangle seller by observing the condition which is around him. Now at a 4 o'clock, isn't it? The school gets over, and when a small child, yes, when he returns from the school, again he changes his mood, and now he wants to be something different. Yes, in this stanza, what he wants to be, alright, this time, how he changes his mood or what situation had forced him to change his decision. Let us see through the stanza. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate that house gardener digging the ground. Once again, when at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate that house gardener digging the ground. As a small child, he is returning from the school. Well, okay, and when he was passing through a bungalow, alright, that time he watches or he had seen there is a gate, and inside that gate a man he was doing something in the garden. Okay, in the garden. Now who was that man? He was a gardener and he was digging the ground. He was working in the garden. Okay, he has a spade in his hand and his work continuously it was going on. Now the work of gardener with the help of spade, with the help of soil, with the help of dirty clothes, somewhere it attracts the attention of small child. Right, and then yes, same situation it forces, and somewhere he decided, let me change my mood and let me be a gardener in my life. Yes, what he does what he likes with his spade. Now gardener, he was doing the work which he likes very much, isn't it? Gardener, he was digging the ground. Gardener, he was taking a small pit, in the ground, and the gardener, he was planting some plants. Alright, it is known as the favorite work, or it is known as the most important liking work of gardener, isn't it? And therefore, he has a spade in his hand and he was digging the ground. Next, he soils his clothes with dust. Now, as he was engaged in his digging activity, knowingly, unknowingly, his clothes they become dirty, isn't it? They become dirty, but nobody takes him to task. Alright, whether the clothes are much dirty, but nobody is there to scold him. Nobody, is there to ask him a question why your clothes are so much dirty or what you were doing in the gardener. Why? Because he was a gardener, and gardening it is the job of that person. Therefore, nobody will scold him or nobody will take him to task if he gets wet in the sun or wet. Isn't it? If he is working in the hot sun, nobody will ask him a question, why are you working in the hot sun? If he would wait in the rain or in the somewhere in the rainfall, once again nobody would ask him a question, what are you doing in the rain or in the heavy rainfall? Isn't it? And therefore, such type of free life, right? Such type of total burden-free life I want to live, in my future. Means whenever I try to walk in the hot sun, my mother always call me back and order me every time, don't go in the hot sun. Whenever I want to play in the proper rainy season, in the rain, that time my mother, advises or somewhere she orders me to come back and not to wait in the rainfall. Alright, whenever I want to play in mud, that time mother says me, or once again she orders, don't play in the mud, your clothes it will become or they will be dirty, it will be dirty. Right, and therefore a man, one who is in the hot sun, one who is in the mud, or one whose dress and the clothes they are much dirty, but the man surely he will not be scolded by any person, and somewhere he changes his mood, and a small child he wants to be something different. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. And therefore, I want to be a gardener like the same person. Why? Because I want to dig the earth how he is digging like that, and the gardener with nobody to stop from me digging. Isn't it? And when I will be a gardener, surely nobody will come there and nobody will ask me to stop that work, or nobody will ask me why your clothes are dirty, and many more questions. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed. Now these are known as the rules which are not written in any book or any textbook. Indeed, as soon as the evening it falls, immediately mother gives a call and she calls all her children inside the home. Indeed, as soon as the night fall after the dinner, mother immediately sends small children to the bed. Now these are known as the thing. Actually, mother she performs her duty. Isn't it? Every day, every night she performs her duty to feed them properly, to ask them to go to bed. Okay, it is known as a duty. But the small children, like they are unable to make the proper difference. What is the good thing? What is the bad thing? Right? And as per the maturity, it comes automatically in their personality and it becomes habit for them. But here, as we have already talked, we are talking about a small child, one who doesn't understand what is good and what is bad for him. Here he decided that I want to be a gardener in my life, not to scold by any person. Now here our next and the last stanza. Let me stand for this side. I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. Isn't it? Now after or somewhere in the night when the small child he was on his bed, that time somewhere he opens his window and he watches the total surrounding, how the night or how the roads they look, especially in the night. Right, this is the time of the night, and when a small child he was on the bed, that time what he has seen, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. Now watchman walking up and down, okay, not up and down, the watchman he walks fro and back, he was walking forward and once again back, isn't it? We know watchman is known as a security guard, one who protects the society or bungalow, especially in the night, isn't it? It is known as the duty of that watchman to remain awakened through the night and to perform his duty. Isn't it? And now a watchman of that society or of that road, it was observed, it was located by the eyes of a small child. Yes, he was walking up and down, he was walking the street fro and back, once again to fro and once again up and down. The lane is dark and lonely and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. Isn't it? Now, yesterday we have seen lane means a road, the narrow roads of a village. Right? In the night, the lane it was so much dark. The roads were completely dark. There were complete darkness everywhere in the night in that village. Only what? Yes, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. And there was only a street lamp, okay, there was only a lamp post and it was looking like a giant, okay, a giant, one who has only a red eye or one who looks a very, what we say that, dangerous in the night, isn't it? We know the night lamps or we know the street lights, it makes the streets, the dark streets totally bright. And the same street light or the lamp, it looked like a giant according to the small child. Now giant, here we have written a large and strong person. isn't it? A large and strong person, or in simple language it is known as a supernatural characters. Somewhere we can observe in the mythological stories. Okay, in Marathi we can say that a rakshas, एखाद्या राक्षसाप्रमाणे तो लॅम्प पोस्ट किंवा तो स्ट्रीट लॅम्प दिसत असत जो एका पोलवरती उभा आहे आणि ज्याला फक्त एकच डोळा आहे. It looks so much dangerous in the night, and that dangerous thing is lamppost with the one red eye. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side and never once goes to bed in his life. And now watchman, what he does, he was doing his job. He go front, once again he come back, isn't it? To walk means to walk front side and once again come back, okay, to keep watch on the society, to hit a stick on the ground, okay, to make a cry, means to make a cry in the night, and to keep a lantern or a torch in his hand. That is known as the proper description of a watchman. Now watchman, he was doing his duty in the night under that street lamp. Yes, he swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side and never once goes to bed in his life. Isn't it? He was walking with his shadow. Nobody was there for his company. Only a shadow of watchman, it remains with him, and a shadow as well as watchman. Yes, in between their company, they were performing their job. Or watchman, he does his job in the night. One more reality about the watchman, that watchman never once goes to bed in his life. Isn't it? Now, we know that common thing, we people spend a night for sleeping, but watchman is known as a man, one who does his job, one who does his activity, or one who performs his duty, especially in the night. He remain awakened throughout the night, and he spend his day only for sleeping. Isn't it? Watchman, one who performs his duty, he remain totally awakened and he keeps watching on the society. I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. Isn't it? Now here, once again, not to go means don't go alone in the night. It is also known as the unwritten order or unwritten rule prepared and made by the parents. Isn't it? And therefore, yes, not to go outside what is known as the night. Let me experience the night. For that reason, once again, the mood, the desire, the strong wish of that small child, again it changes here, and he said that he wants to be a watchman, isn't it? Watchman, and he wants to walk on the street in the night and chasing the shadows with his lantern. Alright, as the watchman, he walks through the night and he experiences the night. Let me be a watchman in my life or future. I have to experience the life of watchman, how he walks with lantern, how he, yes, remain in the company of his own shadow. Is here at the end of the poem, we understand that a small child, he wants to be a watchman in his life. Again, attraction, it attracts to the small child, and here at the night again he changes his mood and he decided to be a watchman in his life. Here, through the small poem, Rabindranath Tagore, he explains that the small and the innocent figures, or the small and innocent children, isn't it? Small and innocent children, every now and then, immediately they get attracted towards the beautiful and the attractive things. Every now and then, they like all that things which are completely new for them. Isn't it? The life of Bengal, we know much struggle is there in the life of Bengal, but the same life, the colorful bangles, it attracted the attention of small child. Somehow he decided that he wants to be. Later we have seen the gardener. What now, to perform a job of gardener, it is also not a simple job, but the attraction of that spade, or the attraction to play in the mud, or the attraction, yes, to wait somewhere in the rainfall, yes, he wants to fulfill. Therefore, a small child, he wants to be a gardener, and somewhere in the night period, isn't it? Especially small children are not allowed to go outside alone in the night, isn't it? And therefore they never experience the life, or they never experience the total and the complete action activities of the night. Yes, I want to go outside the home. I want to spend my complete night on the street. For that purpose, for that attraction, small child, he decided that now I want to be a watchman in my life. Right, up to here, yes, we have discussed a poem. I hope you have understood the poem. If you have any problem, if you have any question regarding to the poem, please write something or write your question in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Once again, let me remind you, when or if you will subscribe our channels, if you ask questions, different questions to us, surely we will try to solve your doubts and problems, and we will get moral support through it. Thank you and have a nice day.